Hi Virgo, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of October is going to be for you, your health, wealth, relationship, money, career, your soul path, your chakra of the month, number of the month, color of the month, mental exercise of the month. What is that one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month, and what will happen if you follow the advices. So this month is a very beautiful month for you. I see the World card in the center, the Eight of Wands is right on it. So some good messages coming your way. If you've been looking forward to travel, or if you've been looking forward to complete something that you've been working upon from a while, this is the month that will complete that. This is the month that will help you take the position that you wanted, take the leadership that you wanted, see the light that you wanted, open up yourself, get the abundance in your life, and see that one opportunity that you've been ignoring, you've not been looking at. And at the same time, a cycle from the past, or the things that were not working out in your past, are going to end, and that's going to begin a new cycle for you. So any circumstances that happen suddenly, any situations that come suddenly, anything that break down suddenly, is something that is not supposed to be there, and something better is supposed to replace that. Understand that this month it is very important. If we start from your health, there is not much that you need to be worried upon. Take care of your heart health. Not that something major that I see, but just take care of your diet and food. Some cholesterol or something like that might just happen. Other than that, just take care of not thinking too much, headaches, and take care when you are walking, because you might something related to falling off, or slipping might just happen. Other than that, there is nothing, no big issue with the health that I kind of see. And if at all anything happens, at all any problem happens, that's going to be because you need to understand yourself. You need to spend some time with yourself and see the light that you're meant to see. And so don't take it negatively, rather take it as an opportunity, because it's not going to go big, it's going to be healed. We talk about from your wealth or money perspective, there is Three of Pentacles. So money coming into your life from your skill, and you earning well is definitely there. If you want to invest into business, if you want to invest into or start something that's your passion, it's a good month to do that. Then there is King of Pentacles, that's the abundance card. So from money perspective, I don't see anything that you need to be worried upon for this month, because this month is going to flow money into your life, abundance into your life. And if there has been circumstances where things have not worked out in the past for you, those things are going to work out for you this month. If we talk about your love or relationships, if you're waiting for a proposal, the proposal is coming your way. If you're waiting to propose someone, good time to propose that. The right person definitely will come into your life. Second, if you're already into a relationship, the relationship is going to grow further. You'll get chances to actually express your love, express your emotions, and make that relationship even more beautiful. If you're thinking about marriage, good month, the marriage can happen, and you can take that decision to be married, because there is World card. If you're wanting to end a relationship, it's not working out for you, it's been problematic, this month will help you end that, and the relationship that was not working out for you is going to end, or that was troublesome is going to end. And if we were of you who were not able to carry the baby, or some mishappenings were happening with pregnancy, this is the month where you get it checked, because there is a chance of healing it, and when it is healed, I see a pregnancy happening. So that way it's a good month where you can address the problem if there is any. And if there is no problem, no identified problem as such, just get your test done before you try for a baby. And once you get your test done, if there is anything, it will get addressed, and you'll be able to have that pregnancy. If we talk about from your job or career perspective, I see growth, I see travel, I see if you were wanting to move out of India or out of any other place and settle somewhere else, this is a good time, because this time will help you go there. If you were looking forward to set something of your own, if it was a passion that you wanted to follow, this is a good month to do that. And if suddenly your job ends, or suddenly a situation comes into your life which challenges you with something, that's going to happen, because there is a passion, or there is something that you're not looking at. If you see, there is Four of Cups, 3 cups are here, 1 cup is here, but you're not looking at that. Now that cup is going to come out, so that the opportunity is going to present itself very clear and crisp. And if you pick up that opportunity, that is going to lead you towards a position and power. or your dream or passion. That's why this month, if anything sudden happens in your life, know that there is a light that is being shown to you, and if you pick that up, it is going to give you abundance and work wonderfully well for you. So business is going to work well, picking up your passion is going to work well, otherwise your job or growth is definitely going to work well for you. If you talk about soul path, I see this month is going to be very important because there is a possibility of opening up your crown or third eye chakra. There is also possibility of connecting with your guides and angels, and also with the card of Queen of Wands, there is a possibility to develop your psychic abilities. So overall, it's a good month to progress from the perspective of soul growth. And if you're confused, if you don't know how to follow, what to do, there is a series on soul growth on my channel. You can follow that series or those videos, and that will help you. You can send me a question and just start meditating. There's a playlist on chakras, but that's in Hindi, but you can find chakra balancing and chakra playlist anywhere on YouTube. Follow that, and if you want to practice anything with your crown or third eye chakra, ensure that you ground yourself before you do that, and then only you start doing that. But this is a good month to actually develop you from the soul perspective. The chakras of the month for you is going to be solar plexus chakra and heart chakra. Heart chakra is located here, center of the heart. The mantra is Yam. Solar plexus is located 2 fingers above the navel. The mantra is Ram, so you can chant it Ram. Otherwise, you can find videos, and that will help you balance your chakras. So to practice these two chakras, why? Because heart health, I said, is important. So heart chakra and solar plexus, because there is the growth that is happening. There's third eye and the crown that is opening up, and without solar plexus being in balance, that will not happen. Why? Because this is the chakra of emotions. This is the chakra of fears. So once you deal with your fears is only when you can reach that level. For your mental exercise of the month, if you see, there's a card that's called understanding. There's a bird who's inside the cage. There are other birds in the sky. The bird is looking at the other birds, but doesn't know that the cage is actually open and the bird can go out. So this month, affirm that everything that is coming into my life is an opportunity that will help me grow further, that will help me touch the sky. I'm open to receive, I'm open to fly, I'm open to achieve everything in my life, and the abundance is flowing towards me. So do that and just be open to receive. If you can, please like the videos. They will help me, and they'll help other people these videos become searchable. And please share the videos with everyone that you can, and subscribe the channel. If we talk about your number of the month, the number of the month is going to be number 3. Color of the month, any shades of yellow, green, even golden or browns or whites are going to be, cream are going to be good for you. One thing that you need to take care of for the whole month is 7 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands is a victory card. So you need to know that this month is a month of victory, where people will look upon you, where people will recognize that you are actually becoming successful. And for the whole month, you need to ensure that you keep working towards the progress, and you have patience, and you see the right things in the right way. That's one thing that you need to take care of for a whole month. What will happen if you follow these advices? There is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles, abundance, money, growth, dream fulfillment, manifestations, everything will flow beautifully into your life, and it's a beautiful spread this month for you. Very simple yet very beautiful, and that's the month for you. Ensure that you follow through this month. Let the things end that are ending. Be in your power. Lead with your power. Improve yourself from your soul growth perspective, and know if there is a sudden ending to something that is meant to happen, and that will lead you to further growth or renewal for you. And it's very important for you this month. There are a lot of other videos on my channel about life, about spirituality, there is a free series that I'm doing on learning tarot cards. You can go through the playlist and find something that is useful for you, and if you find something useful, please share it with everyone, and leave the comments or suggestions or feedback for me. Also, if you want to get your personalized tarot reading done, you can send me a message through Facebook link provided in the description box, or through comments section that you want a reading, and I will share my number and will take it further from there. I will see you with the next month's predictions. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.